Hi, my name is Jake Gavan, and this course that you're in was created to help you prepare for the personalized learning project next year with Chromebooks in our schools. You have in your building teacher ambassadors who have already gone through this course, and I encourage you, if you have questions or any issues that come up as you're working on it, to talk to them. This course is offered in two different ways. Some of you are taking it completely online, and others of you are taking it in face-to-face sessions with Colleen Kennedy or I. What I'd like to do now is just take you on a short tour of the course to show you what you can expect. The course and the tour is a slightly different course than what you will be doing, but the topics covered should be enough to help you get started and understand how to go through the course. Thank you.
Here we are in the course, and this course is almost like the one you'll be in. There's a few differences, but there's a big welcome message right in the middle, and on the left side is a menu that you'll want to know about. You can see that right now we're on the materials section, which is the main part of the course where you see the folders where you learn about Schoology and Google Drive. But there's also an important link there, the grades link right there. If you look where it says grades, that's where you're going to be able to see your progress in the course. I'll click on that. And here you can see a list of all the assignments. Now in this example one, this sample person has only turned in one assignment so far. But as you work your way through the course, you'll take quizzes, and there's a couple open-ended assignments. So if you do see a little symbol like the square that you see with the blue and the green and the gray squares, if I click on that, that means there was a rubric used. And this rubric gives you specific feedback about how you earned the points you earned. So take a look whenever you want to see your progress in the course at that grades link on the left side. I'm going to go back to materials just to take you back to the meat of the course. So here you have a welcome message. There is a link to a section where you can learn about the badges you can earn in the course. So we're not going to cover that in this video. But in the Learn About Schoology, we'll have a Schoology 1 folder for you, a Schoology 2 folder, and a Google Drive folder. Let's go into one of these folders so you can see the way this works. A couple ways you can do that. You can click on that little arrow to the left of the folder, and that will expand, and you'll see all the topics in Schoology. In your course, you'll only see 4 in each of the 2 Schoology folders, but this is a good enough example. And another way you could do it is if you just click where it says Learn Schoology, it'll take you into a screen that just has those topics. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example of one of these folders. Again, I could click on the arrow to the left there if I wanted to see what there is in there, or I could just click where it says Gradebook if I wanted to look at the Gradebook topic. Let's do it that way. So inside of this folder, there are pages which are information about these different topics that you can learn about. There are also assessments. So this one has, most of them have a quiz like this one does at the bottom, Schoology Gradebook Quiz, but some of them also have an open-ended assignment, like you can see that little icon with the pencil where it says set up 2 gradebook categories. Well, let's take a look at one of these pages up above, and then we'll look at the quiz also. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on this one right here. I can display final letter grades. So here you see some text right away. You can see an image, and so it's kind of a little infographic to teach you about what you're going to learn. The best thing about all of these is there's a video. And so if I go down here, I can see this video, Schoology Gradebook, display letter grades. These are short videos. Some of them are less than a minute. But what they do is they show you step by step how to do different things. And then the quiz covers it. So one thing that we have heard feedback about is that sometimes these videos start out so small that it's almost impossible to really see it there. And so something you can do is you can go, once you start playing the video, and you can see this one's playing because it's moving across, if you click where it says YouTube right there, watch on YouTube, it'll open it up on YouTube, and then you can see it nice and big. So sometimes it might be kind of hard to see, and I don't know if you could tell, it opened up a new tab for me at the top, so I can go back into Schoology by just clicking back onto that tab after I watch the video. So let me go back. I could go back to the materials page, which is the front page of the course, by clicking that, or I could go back into that gradebook folder, by clicking right up there. So I'll do that. Okay, so the last thing I'd like to show you is a quiz. Now, everything is open book, open computer. We're not trying to trick anyone with this course, so you can take these quizzes as many times as you want. Let me go ahead and click on this quiz quickly. And you'll just see a message that says begin test or quiz. It also says you can attempt it as many times as you'd like. And so you can see your submissions, which one you got wrong after you take it. Again, you could have another tab open into Schoology, and you could be trying things as you go through this quiz. So remember, you also have the ambassadors in your building to help you if needed. I'm going to go back to the beginning. Hopefully the information we provided is enough to help you get started.